I'm Alina Zara Malik from Pakistan TV Digital, and today I'm at Iqra University to see the Thesis display of Textile department. Let me show you a couple of pieces that caught my eye and all the conversations that I've had with the students over here. There's so much creativity, there's so much craftsmanship and the artistic chaos. You talk to the students and you fully get involved in the stories because it has so much depth in them.
This is my final thesis and my topic is my garden. I have incorporated leaves into my projects that help me in my overthinking.
It has been a very creative and a very interesting journey because the ideas that students came from, I learned a lot from them as well.
Some students have done very extensive textile work. We have seen few of them using textile in the apparel products as well.